Today we're going to explore how to use ChatGPT for your translations. Whether you want to translate a foreign language into English or English into a foreign language, ChatGPT has you covered. So let's dive in. First, let's start with translating a foreign language into English. Copy the text you want to translate. In this example, I'm using Spanish. Now type translate into English, followed by a semicolon and a space. Paste the foreign language text right after the space. Remember, it's important to have a space between the semicolon and the start of the sentence. Watch as ChatGPT instantly translates it into English for you. And voila! You've got the translation all done for you. Now let's reverse the process and translate English into a foreign language. Copy the English text you want to translate. This time type translate into, insert your target foreign language, followed by a semicolon and a space. Paste the English text after the space. Just like before, make sure there's a space between the first word and the semicolon. And there you have it. ChatGPT will work in its magic and provide you with a translation into your desired foreign language. It's incredible how ChatGPT can help bridge language barriers. It's a powerful tool for understanding and communicating across different language. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, where we're happy to help you in your language learning journey. Thanks for joining us today and happy translating with ChatGPT. Remember, the world is at your fingertips.